Good evening, Chiranjay. Good evening, Advik.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Advik, where is Advik?
Please join.
Ask him to join fast and turn on your videos, children.
Ma'am, he is joining.
Okay. Yes, join. Children, just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children, tell me. Have you understood geometry?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you all have understood. Okay. Chiranjay, first of all, change your setting, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so few questions I will ask from you, children. Do you all have notebook?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Screen is visible, children.
Yes.
I don't know why it is not going to open. Yes, screen is visible now because I'm not able to open it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, beta. Draw the following angles in the clock. An acute angle and obtuse angle. So what do you mean by acute angle, children? Chiranjay, you
Ma'am,
tell. Advait, Advait, keep quiet. Keep quiet, keep quiet. Chiranjay, tell.
Ma'am, acute angle has 180 degrees.
180 degrees. Advik, you tell, beta.
Ma'am, can I tell?
acute angle is less than 90 degrees.
Yes, Chiranjay, because nowadays you are not focusing on your studies, right? Tell me how many times I have repeated this. What is acute angle and what is an obtuse angle? Chiranjay, you will tell only. Hmm? This is not the good thing, na beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are not revising at all after the class also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't get the things, ma'am, after we are done with the ray, till ray, ma'am, and the things that are acute, obtuse, and reflex angle, ma'am, that I can't get it, ma'am.
Why you have not revised? You have
Ma'am,
not got the enough time, beta?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the other things I have revised it, not this one.
So, Chiranjay, you need to be more attentive in the class. Okay, fine. If I will ask any question, then I want an answer from your side. Okay? Don't ask this thing that, ma'am, I have not revised. Okay, I forgot. Okay, Chiranjay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it fine? Yeah.
Yes.
So, what is an acute angle, children? Acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degrees. Right? It means 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. These are, oh, sorry, not 90, 60 degree, 75 degree, right? So these are
65
acute
degree.
angles. So you have to draw the following angles in the clock. So first of all, make a circle and write the numbers. You all know how to make a clock, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Right, Chiranjay? Where is your notebook, Chiranjay? Start doing.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, kindly be on unmute. Don't mute yourself again and again. Unmute your mic. Advay, unmute yourself. Chiranjay, unmute yourself. Chiranjay,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself, beta. Draw a circle.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw a circle, Chiranjay. Have you drawn the circle, children?
Ma'am.
Write the numerals also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ma'am, should we write their radius diameter also?
No need to write the radius because we have to draw the angle. Chiranjay, draw it and show me.
Ma'am,
Children, have you drawn a circle like this?
Yes, ma'am. I have numbered it also.
Now, yes. Now, write the numerals also, right? So, write like this. See, here will be 12, right, beta? And here will be 6.
Yes,
ma'am.
Here is 3. And here will be 9.
9.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, here it will be 1, then 2. And here will be 4 and 5. Here will be 7 and 8.
8,
And here is
10,
10, 11 and 12. Right, children? Now I have asked you to draw a acute angle. Acute angle. So, let this be your base.
ma'am. 215.
Right? Mark it as OA. Yes. Then you can draw. You can join it with 1. Then again it will be 60-degree angle. So, this is an acute angle, right? You can draw like this also. Don't draw the straight line. Because if you will draw the, suppose if you are going to draw with 12, then it will be 90 degree. And we need to draw less than 90. Clear, beta?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood how you will draw an acute angle in the cloth?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
can you show the obtuse angle?
Yes. Now draw up obtuse angle. So it should be greater than 90
90.
degree. What do you mean by obtuse angle? Which
Ma'am,
is
90
greater
degree.
than
90
90
degree.
degree. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Drawn, children.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, not done.
Show me your notebook.
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, can you see?
Ma'am, can you,
Yes.
ma'am, can you see my?
Where are numerals, beta? Chiranjay,
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
where
Yes,
are
ma'am.
your numbers?
Yes, ma'am. I'm right.
Numbers, beta.
Yes, ma'am. That.
Draw.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, beta. Show
Ma'am,
me. Yes, Advait. Advait, good. Advait, why you are doing so much cuttings, beta? Advait, good, beta.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Advait. Show me, beta, Chiranjay, if you have done. And have you drawn the obtuse angle? Where is your obtuse angles?
Ma'am.
You have written the numerals. Good. Now draw obtuse angle, Chiranjay. What is your obtuse angle? Just now
Ma'am,
I have told you.
greater than 90, ma'am.
I
Yes,
have done the
good.
obtuse
Greater
angle.
than 90 degree. So you will draw the circle and it is greater than 90 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your 6, This is your 6. This is your 12. This is 3. This is
9.
12. This is 9, right? And this
Yes.
is 8. This is 7. This is 5. This is 4. This is 2. This is 1. This is 11. And this is 10. Right, beta? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
obtuse. So first of all, you will draw the base. Okay? And join with 10 or
Ma'am, 11 or
11.
13.
10 or 11. And between 9 and 10. So this angle is your obtuse angle.
Ma'am,
Understood, children?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
I have done correct.
Yes. Good, beta. Chiranja done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can I tell the definition of the reflex angle in the next one? Ma'am,
What you are saying, beta?
ma'am, can I tell the definition of the reflex angle in the next one?
Yes. Just wait. Yes, children. Now next question is, screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
See, how many squares and triangles are there in the following? Count the number of squares in the A figure, children. Hurry up.
18.
You can draw this figure in your notebook, then you can count.
Ma'am, 9.
What do you mean by square?
No, ma'am, 23.
23?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can just tell that, ma'am, in my textbook it is written that square numbers are multiplied by together number. For example, if we get 36, ma'am, therefore square number will 36 multiplied the 36 same number only, ma'am, and whatever we get the answer, that is our square number, ma'am. That is.
Chiranjan, try to understand the question, beta. Square definition you are giving correct. No doubt in that. But here you have to count the how many squares are there. What do you mean by square? Which has equal sides, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now I am getting 55.
So there is a trick to count the number of squares. See, I'm telling you the short tricks to count the number of squares. Else it will be difficult to count the number of square, right? It will be time taken also. See, suppose you have this square. It has 4 columns and 4 rows. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can count like this. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, beta?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
write the square of 2 plus square of 3, square of 2 and square of 1. So square of 4 means you have to multiply 4 by itself. Square of 3 is multiply 3 by itself. Plus square of 2 is multiply by 2 itself. Plus 1 by 1. So it will be 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9 to 2 ja 4 plus 1. Now add 9 plus 1, 10. It will be 30. Have you understood this trick, beta? How you will count the number of squares?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the border of the square, ma'am, we should take the number and from that number only we should multiply.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, can you again explain it?
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta. See.
ma'am, the answer of this question is 30.
No, we are having this middle squares also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
See, beta. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write like numbers like this. And then you will find their squares and add them. 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Right, beta? Okay, Chiranjay, Advik, Advay.
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you mean by square? Means you have to multiply the given number by itself. Clear? If I will ask you that find the square of 6, it means 6 into 6, 36. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now try to solve this one.
Ma'am, can you
Upper one.
explain? Ma'am, can you explain this?
From where, Advay?
Ma'am, that square part. From where? From how we can count the square in the following.
Beta, square I have not counted. I have written the numbers
Ma'am, I
only.
got it.
How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, beta?
Ma'am, should we draw the figures also?
Yes. You can write this short trick also. Note it down it fast. Advait, note this, beta. I am going to explain it again. Once, please note it down.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yeah, just wait. Fine.
Ma'am, I'm getting 25 only the answer.
Advait, just wait, beta. Let them write. Have you written this short trick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait.
That's all.
Written, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All have written this.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
See, what do you mean by otherwise? See, what do you mean by square? Square of 5 means 5 multiplied by 5. Square of 12 means 12 multiplied by 12. Okay. So here I have written 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Why see? Suppose if you are having this square, children see it carefully. It is divided into 4 parts. So these are the 4 square now, and this bigger one is 5 also. Tell me children. So how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
squares are there? 1, 2,
1,
3, 4
4.
plus 1, bigger one. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 plus 1, how many are there? 5. How many squares are there? 5.
7.
And see by short trick. See children by short trick. 1, 2. Clear? Then
Yes,
find the
ma'am.
square of 1 plus square of 2. So 1 plus 2 into 2. So 1 plus 4, it will be equal to 5. Got it this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now children see here. Now we will find the number of square in this figure. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. How many squares are there? 30?
2.
Yes. Now here are 2 squares, which is divided into again 4 square. This we have solved. So this have 5 square and this has also 5 square. So 30 plus 5 plus 5, it will be 40. Understood?
Ma'am, is that the main answer?
Yes, this is the main answer. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, understood? Advait?
No, ma'am.
From where you are not going to understand? Just tell me.
Ma'am,
Because you are not Advait, you are not focusing on the screen. You are just watching your notebook. You are seeing your notebook only. Whenever I am explaining anything, kindly concentrate on the screen, children.
excuse me, ma'am.
See, yes, I am explaining again.
Ma'am,
See
the
now.
box.
See, this is a square, right, beta? Right, Advait, Advik, Chiranjay, how many squares are there?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
total 4 squares for the borders, ma'am.
4. Only one square is there.
yes, ma'am.
How 4? Tell me. Only one square I have drawn, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am going to divide into 4 equal squares, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 square plus 1. This is bigger square. So 4
5.
plus 1 will be equal to 5. How many are there? 5.
5.
Understood this thing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. So now children see. This smaller figure and smaller figure. Both are containing 5 squares, right?
yes, ma'am.
So 5 plus 5, it will be 10 or not?
Yes, ma'am. 10.
Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I have explained to you that if you are having a bigger square, suppose this is a square, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And one line is there, then second line is there, third is there. Yeah. So again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now, children, see here. You will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows are there, 4 columns are there. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So how you will write number of square, how you will count it? You can count with your own also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this will be 17, then 18, 19, 20, then this 21, this 22, 23. So it will be more difficult now to count the number of squares.
Yes.
So we have a short trick to find the number of squares. So we have written one, two, three, four. So you will write 1 square plus 3 plus 4 into 4. Got it, this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Tell me, children, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So now, speak up, children. Is it clear? So number of squares
Ma'am, we
will
can't see your
be
screen, ma'am.
1.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Is it visible?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is visible, ma'am, but it's not
Am
showing
I
us the
understand?
question. Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it's showing that Anita Sharma has started the
Ma'am
Steam
left the
course.
meeting.
Where's the host? Ranjit. Okay.
Yes.
Am I audible, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, let me complete this question. Then today I will give you homework like this type of question only, okay? Where you have
Okay.
to count the number of squares, okay, beta?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you will write. So number
Yes,
of
ma'am.
squares will be 1 square, 2 square, plus 3 square, plus 4 square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 into right, plus 3 into
Yes,
3, plus 4 into 4. So 1 plus 4 plus 9
ma'am. Plus
plus
16.
16. Add it, it will be 30. So this square is 5. This is also 5. So total number of squares are how many? 30 plus 5 plus 5. So 40. Understood,
Ma'am,
beta? How you will count the
ma'am,
number of squares?
ma'am, the boundary of the square is also square.
Yes, this also we have to count.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am means uh the 30 is not the correct answer for the square numbers, ma'am. The
No, no,
40.
no. 30 is the correct answer whenever these two squares are not included. See, which I have circled here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If they are included, so they will also contain 5 squares. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, understood, children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Please note this if you have not noted. Chiranja, show me your notebook. What is it?
On the sea.
Okay, Chiranja. Advik, Advay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay. Advay, show me your notebook. And children, your objective test is live now. Kindly attempt your test, okay, after the class. And don't be in hurry. Try to read the question carefully, then answer only, okay?
Yes.
Because you people have given so much enough time of 30 minutes. Don't submit your test within 5 or 10 minutes, okay? Take your proper time.
Mom, can you see?
Yes, I can see. Fine, beta. Okay, children, now we will meet in next class. Till then, bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.